Hey guys, how's it going? NIMsomniac here. It's come to my attention that many of you guys use my tutorials. Unfortunately, some of them are outdated. So we're going to be re-releasing some new versions of them, and I will tag them in those videos. All right, today we're going to be working on how to make your own sound effects easily. And it is relatively easy. Let's start by going to YouTube, and then you're just going to screen record whatever clip you want. I've never used loud noises, and so we're going to record that real quick. Then you're going to upload it to a Google Drive, so you can drag and drop it in there, and then upload it, and then download it on your computer. All right, then we're going to go ahead and go to CapCut.com. We're going to download CapCut. We're going to go ahead and open it and install it. This works both for Windows and for Mac, and it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. Now, you can use the free version, or the Pro version has a lot of updates. But for this tutorial, I'm going to say we don't need to get the upgraded version. We can just use the free version. I do use the Pro version for editing my shorts on YouTube, and it is awesome for that. And you can also use it for making just full-fledged videos. I might even make this video using CapCut. Like I said, we're going to open our Google Drive and grab our clips. And we're going to use in CapCut. CapCut confirms can be used here. We're just going to create a new project. Then it's going to give you a bunch of tutorials, and I'm just going to skip them because I've done them before. All right, and then we're going to check to see if our folder, our download is finished. Extract all. Yep. We're going to delete this. Boop. We're going to import our own files. There we go. And then we're going to drag and drop it. Your system might run it faster. This is my stream comp, so it doesn't really work the greatest for doing all this stuff.
Alex here, bringing you plant-based tips so you can know before you grow with AstaPro.
Hello,
you can reset up however you want.
I mean, they read my engine.
So if you don't like how it's set up, you can just change it up, blow it up a little bit. For this instance, I recorded sideways like that. So you just gotta get it larger, please. Come on. I think you can also just right-click on the subject and fit, or fit it to the window. There you go. Ding. You can just drag it down. The cool thing is there's a middle line, so if you were going to use the video footage, just keep throwing it. Well, we're not using the footage today. We're just using
You're with us, Ron. What do you think?
So anyways, we're going to find...
It's terrible! She has beautiful eyes and her hair smells like cinnamon!
So here's loud noises. This is the clip I want. So we're just going to go and hit split. Delete this part with the backspace. And then...
Loud noises!
And we're going to stop it right there with spacebar. And we're going to split it again. And we'll click that and delete it. Now we're going to just check it.
Loud noises! Loud noises!
And there you go. That's the clip. Now all we have to do is click export up here. Uncheck video and check audio. Then click export. Well, first decide where you want to put it. So for this one, we'll put it on the desktop. And click export. Now we'll open the folder and we'll double check.
Loud noises!
So unfortunately, I forgot to do this, but when you export it, make sure you title it So up here is the title. Title it Loud Noises. And I'm just going to put Anchorman on there because that's what it's from. Export. Now it should appear in here, right there. Loud Noises Anchorman.
Loud noises!
And there you go. You got your first sound effect. Now you can just take that and implement it into whatever bot you use. In our case, we use Firebot. So we'll just quickly make a command here. And by quickly, I mean we'll wait a little while because I've used too many commands in Firebot. So it doesn't always work quickly. Do 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 do. I don't actually think I've ever watched Jeopardy, but that song does live freely in my head. All right, we're gonna go new custom command. We'll call it loud noises. You could call it whatever you want, and you could add out an alias. So aliases mean these other words will also ping it off. So we're gonna go with loud, save, and add, and put noise. So all these combinations of words will trigger this command. And if you click scan whole message, it'll look for that combination or that word all throughout the message. If it finds it, then it'll ping it off. I can have cooldowns. I like to have cooldowns at least a little bit, you know, like 30 seconds is good. Don't send chat messages when on cooldown, because when you do that, then it just flags your chat full of messages when on cooldown. We are using Firebot. You can download Firebot at firebot.app. You can download for Windows. I think you can now download it for Mac, but I'm not 100% sure it's working correctly. Anyways, going back to this command, we got cooldown. I'm just going to add new effect. Play. Sound. Select. Local file. Choose file. Right now it's on the desktop. Loud noises, Anchorman. Turn it up or turn it down based on how it sounds to you. Then add it. And then if you want to add it to a queue, that way it doesn't overlap other things. And make sure you know how long it is. It is 3 seconds long. And we'll hit save. Now we go to commands. Or we go to dashboard. We type loud. It should just play.
Loud noises!
And there you go. And there you guys go. That's how to implement it into Firebot. That's how to make your own sound effect. If you have any questions or you want other tutorials, please leave a comment in the comment section and I'll make sure to get back to you. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, you're awesome.